Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone and opening settings. Make sure the battery isn't critically low so readings are stable. Go to Settings, then Battery and Device Care to see immediate stats. If you need deeper metrics like battery capacity or charge cycles, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. This unlocks diagnostic menus and USB debugging. Once done, make sure your device is connected to stable power and wireless is off for consistent results before moving to detailed checks. Next, you'll inspect the detailed battery information and why it matters. Open Battery, then Battery Usage to identify apps draining power. This shows per app consumption over time. Use Samsung Members or built-in diagnostics to run a battery health check that reports capacity and wear percentage. Make sure to review charging speed and temperature during a charge because high heat accelerates degradation. Once you note capacity and abnormal drain sources, you'll be ready to adjust settings or run a deeper test with developer or third-party tools. To finish, you'll finalize findings and perform corrective steps. Calibrate the reading by fully charging to 100% and then letting the phone drain to shut down once. This helps the system gauge capacity more accurately. If an app causes abnormal drain, uninstall or reset its data and use Optimize in Device Care. Make sure to reboot after changes. If battery health values are obviously incorrect, try a cache partition wipe. Then factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if readings still look wrong, test with Samsung service or a replacement battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.